Hi crafty friend, it's Toth here. I am happy to see you. This is the third video of my lawnfawn spring series and today I have another Copic coloring tutorial for you. I am starting with berries. For the stamping I am using a cute pea from the Be Happy stamp set and I used Havana Red, Midnight Blue, Parisian Purple hybrid ink pads from scrapbook.com. These inks are Copic friendly and I use them often because they help me to get a more realistic look. On my Instagram, lots of people requested a high quality video about this card, so today I am going to show you how to color lawnfawn yummies like this. First I am going to color red berries in two different ways, then raspberry and cherry. For the highlighting I am using white Prismacolor pencil, but I will add more highlights in the end of the coloring. I want to mention that I have a giveaway for this series on my blog. You can win a $50 value gift certificate to Lawnfawn Shop or a $50 value gift certificate to scrapbook.com. Come daily to my blog and be sure to leave comments by 26th of April for a chance to win. The random winners will be announced on my blog on 28th of April. You can find the link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to try this technique and share your coloring. Also don't forget to tag me so I can see your creations. Next I am going to show you how to color more realistic yummies with pizza, my heart and Let's Toast stamp sets. The idea to make the pizza as waffles is from my sweet friend Megan Quinn. She is an amazing card maker and I really love her work. Before I am going to add highlights, I am stamping on the waffles cute smiles from the Let's Toast stamp set. Next, I made a calorie-free chocolate icing on the top of my waffles with dark walnut nouveau drops and put together my card. I dry emboss the Neenah Solar White cardstock with the fancy lattice backdrop dies, then put together my card. In the end, I added the sentiments from the Sweet Friends stamp set and added few more marshmallows from the Thanks a Lot stamp set from lawnfawn. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this tutorial. If yes, feel free to share it with your crafty friends on your Instagram stories or anywhere you want. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are a subscriber, ring the bell so you won't miss any new tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thanks again, have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye!